You won't believe what kind of meal I got for just $2 in the middle of a Chinese urban village. This isn't a tourist spot. It's where real locals eat. And today, I joined them. I was walking through a street in Shenzhen's urban village, kind of like a city within a city, when hunger hit me. I found this restaurant tucked along the sidewalk. No fancy signs, just a crowd of hungry people. Here, you grab a tray, grab a spoon, and start picking your food. You choose whatever you want. Chicken, peanuts, cucumbers, spicy pork, tomato fish, shrimp, beef, eggs. The options just keep going. And here's the crazy part. Everything is freshly cooked right beside you. Once a dish runs out, the chefs make a new batch right on the spot. It's hot, it's steamy, and it smells amazing. After I piled my tray high with meat, veggies, and rice, I went to weigh it. The total? Just 16.3 RMB, about 2.20 USD. How insane is that? In the US, this wouldn't even buy you a coffee. Most of the people eating here are factory workers and locals. It's not a tourist trap. It's real life. The place is clean, it runs like a system, and everyone's doing the same thing. Picking food, paying, eating, working. Do you guys have anything like this where you live? A pay-by-weight buffet with freshly made food for $2? I even got seconds. Yeah, I'm kind of a rice monster. And don't worry, we use chopsticks, not hands. What would you pick if you came here? Would you try the spicy pork or the tomato fish? Drop your answer in the comments. I really want to know.